Hey guys, we are right now we are going to the waterfall named as Kuske Kotigaon, which is in Kanakona. We need to walk a bit to go to the waterfall. Ramnath is from Kuske, so today he is our guide and he is taking us to the waterfall. So he's all set with the raincoat, so even if there is a heavy rain he can protect himself, and we are with our umbrellas. This waterfall is in the wildlife sanctuary of Kotigaon, and the best part of this wildlife sanctuary of Kotigaon, the animals are not been kept in cage, so they are freely moving everywhere in this wildlife sanctuary. And if you want to see the animals, you can definitely come to this Kotigaon wildlife sanctuary. If you are lucky, you will definitely see the animals moving around here. Look at this branches. This is how they have kept those branches in the tree. Alright, this is a changing room, so if anybody wants to change, absolutely safe to do the changing room. And this is a place for you to sit here. If you want to sit when you walk in, if you become tired, you can sit here. And if you want to change your clothes, that's the changing room. This is a ticket counter. So when you come to this waterfall, you need to take a ticket here. So it is 20 rupees per person. That's for adults, and for the kids it is 10 rupees per kid. So we are moving ahead now. You can see here water flowing from here and it's going right down. This place is nicely maintained by the forest department. You can see the steps, and you can see the trees are come down, but the forest department has taken care in order not to cut the trees, and they kept it safe. So I'm going to take you at this place from here, where I want to show you that in case if any old people are coming with a family or with their children, this is the best place where you can hang out. You can sit here, absolutely safe. And in case if there are old people, you cannot walk, and you can sit here and enjoy the waterfall. So it's a big giant tree. And it's just nice and cool. This place is nice and cool. So I'll walk back. You can see the water flowing from here, from this spring. You can see here the water is flowing. It's raining heavy in Goa, so because of this reason the water is flowing from every side. Oh, I need to show you here, just in case if you come, you need to, if you don't like the first place where I showed you, you can come to this second place also here. Yeah, there you go. You can have a look. This is like a swimming pool here for the kids. If you have your children along with you, so you can wait here with your children. It's been nicely maintained, as I was saying, by the nicely maintained. It's not deep here. Also, the children can sit over there and they can enjoy this waterfall. So now we are going ahead up to the waterfall, and as I was saying, it's raining very heavy in Goa. So due to the heavy rain, this is the amount of water which is flowing right down. And as we are walking, it looks like for us that we are walking through the waterfall. These are the best part. When I initially started walking, I became tired, but due to this environment, due to this lovely weather down here, I'm not feeling tired. I'm feeling absolutely fresh. I'm trying to show you all, going with each and every part here wherever I can, to go ahead and show you all the places where you can come and enjoy yourself. Have a look over there how it looks, how the water is flowing, and it's going straight right down. Right now I'm going a little bit front to show you guys. Okay, this is how water is going. It seems like a little bit deep here. Have a look at here. So this is a place also you can sit and enjoy this waterfall, enjoy that splash. And this is like a free body massage for you. You can see the water coming from here also, joining and going right down. At this giant tree, and there is another giant tree. Here you'll see water right down. Now this is a place for you nicely to sit in case if you become tired walking. Oh, look at this, a gap, and there is another one I believe here. Wow, let me try and show you. Look at this. As I was saying, in case if you become tired, you can sit down here and relax. It's a place for you here also to sit and relax, and then a place here also for you to sit and relax. And now we need to move ahead, so we have to go from here, go right up to the waterfall. One more giant tree. And if you see the shape of this tree right down. Can show it here. Look at it. This is the nature. This is the beauty of the forest. And I would say beauty of Goa as well. Just have to keep walking. We haven't seen any animals so far, otherwise I would have definitely shown you guys. Now if you see here, this tree is fallen, but the forest department has cut only a little bit of the branches and they made it lovely, like you need to go from under the tree. So here we go. Okay. So till now, since we walked so far, we haven't seen any animal, so it seems like I am unlucky. But the locals of this village, they claim that every day they see different type of animals around here. Looks like we are almost reached to the waterfall now. Just want to show you all a glimpse of this. Okay, this is another place where you can sit and relax. Oh here, sorry, a glimpse of water. Here, one more place for you to sit and relax. So finally we reached to the waterfall. I'm gonna go a little bit up. Okay. This is the waterfall. You can enjoy sitting down there, sitting down there. A free massage, a free acupuncture, and a fresh oxygen when you come down here at this place. You need to be careful, guys. Okay, when you come here, don't just run here and there. Take every step safely, precautionally, and enjoy yourself when you are down here.